Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Ready to elevate your 3D printing game to the next level? Meet the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K, the next level resin printer that's redefining precision, performance, and convenience. This isn't just another 3D printer, it's a game changer. First off, let's talk about its star feature, 16K resolution. Yes, you heard that right, 16K. We're looking at a whopping 15,120 x 6,230 pixel LCD display. This means your prints will have an unprecedented level of detail. Imagine capturing even the tiniest details with unparalleled accuracy. Every nook and cranny, every fine line, perfectly rendered. Whether you're working on intricate models or large-scale designs, expect smoother, sharper, and more professional quality prints. No more compromises. And here's the kicker, it's fast. Speed and quality, all in one. The Saturn 4 Ultra 16K can print up to 150 millimeters per hour. That's blazing fast for a resin printer of this caliber. Spend less time waiting and more time creating. Your productivity will skyrocket. But speed isn't its only strength, it's smart too. This printer is packed with intelligent features. This beast comes with a cutting-edge AI camera that monitors your prints in real time. No more failed prints going unnoticed. Plus, a built-in chamber light keeps you in control so you can catch any issues before they happen. Automatic leveling? Check. No more manual adjustments. It's all automated for your convenience. And its smart resin heating system keeps the resin at a consistent 30 degrees Celsius for perfect adhesion, optimizing every print for success. But wait, there's more. Features like a resin shortage alarm, residue detection, and power loss recovery are all built in. These features ensure that your prints are always successful, even in less than ideal conditions. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this machine is designed to save you time, money, and effort. Connectivity? Sorted. It's a complete package. With Wi-Fi cluster printing and a USB port, managing multiple projects has never been easier. Seamless connectivity at your fingertips. Oh, and don't forget the built-in air filtration system, keeping your workspace clean and safe. No more worrying about harmful fumes, and the best part? All these incredible features come at an unbeatable price. It's a steal for what it offers. Pre-order the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K now for just $499.99, which is nearly 20% off the retail price of $623.99. That's a significant saving, but don't wait too long. Deliveries start at the end of February, and demand is sky high. Secure yours before it's too late, so what are you waiting for? This is your chance to own a piece of the future. Elevate your 3D printing experience today with the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. Don't miss out on this revolutionary technology. Precision, speed, and innovation, all in one package. It's everything you've ever wanted in a 3D printer. The future of 3D printing is here. Don't get left behind.